So for this part of the project, I configured a DHCP server to automatically assign IP addresses to client computers in Windows Server XP and Windows 7 in the network. So first of all, I will install the DHCP from the role. So let's begin in the checking the DHCP server and then tip next. And install the DHCP. So for the configuration, I add scope. So the name is XP Class A network. The IP addresses is 172.31.0.0 16. And this range are used to support different network classes in the system. And next, I configure the default gateway using a valid router IP address to allow communication outside to the local area network. So for DNS configuration, I set the DHCP server itself as the primary DNS server, and I also added public DNS servers, especially the Google DNS and OpenDNS as secondary options to ensure reliable name resolution. So I set the IP address list duration to 8 hours. This allows efficient IP management by automatically renewing and reassigning addresses when needed. So for the second scope is the 7 Class B network. So it will assign the IP block of 10.0.0.0.-8 and configuring the exclusion so that the first 30 and last 30 valid IP addresses in each scope are not distributed. And these reserved IP addresses can be used for servers, network devices, and other critical systems. So I will add the public DNS servers and the Google DNS and OpenDNS IP addresses. So it will validate first. Then now we have 2 scopes for this network, and then I will set up the XP. So for network, can change the name network so that it connects, and same as to the Win7 case study. So we will start the Win7 to test the DHCP connections. So now IP config, then it will list the IP addresses, config, renew, and release so that you can see the IP addresses in DHCP. So now let's configure to the computer settings. Now it will connect to our domain, then set the Windows security. So yeah, it's connected, successfully connected the DHCP from the server in Windows 7. Next is the XP. We will start it. So we will see the IP configuration of this network and pconfig. So as you can see, it is connected to our IP address from the server. Then I will try the computer configuration to set up the domain. So as you can see, it's successful connected. So it will gonna restart the Windows XP for the automatically simplifying the network. So that's all.